Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to equip jewels in Monster Hunter World. Jewels let you customize skills, which directly affects damage, survivability, and comfort. First, go to the item box. Select Set Decorations. Current equipment lets you equip decorations to your equipped armor, while Equipment box lets you equip decorations to armors you have in your equipment box. These blank slots indicate the kind of decorations you can set in your armors. Choose the armor piece or weapon with available decoration slots. Select a jewel that fits the slot level and confirm. The skill activates immediately once the jewel is equipped. You can check this by opening the in-game menu, look at the status section on the right-hand side of the screen and pressing C. You will see here all the active skills you have in your armor and decorations. And that's how to equip jewels in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.